Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the bed liner with your 98 Ford F-150 4.2 liter. So to remove the bed liner guys, we'll need to remove these T30 bolts, Torx 30. So we have 4 of those guys, 2 at the back, 2 at the front. Okay guys, so as I mentioned, you'll need a T30 Torx. So I'll go ahead and get all 4 of these out guys, and I'll see y'all then. Also guys, on the tailgate, by the tailgate at the rear of the liner bed, we have 2 Phillips screws on both sides that we need to remove guys. This one is already coming out, but you need to remove those as well guys. So okay guys, after making sure you got everything out, we can now remove our bed liner. So to do that guys, also I should explain, you want your tailgate open so that way when you get the bed liner out of the grooves, you can just slide it out backwards guys through your tailgate, but mine doesn't open, so we'll pop it up and try our best to just lift it out. So first thing, you want to come to the center here guys and pop it up like this. So okay guys, that's how you remove your bed liner from your 98 Ford F-150 4.2 liter, and I'm sure this goes for many other models guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.